Alright guys, so we are going to be talking about kombucha in this video. This little thing right here, kombucha, that has so many health benefits, and we're going to cover it all in this video, and also how much kombucha should you be drinking, what are the right types of kombucha you should be drinking, because if you fall for the wrong types of brands, the wrong types of kombucha, it's actually going to have a negative effect on you. So there's a lot to cover here, but firstly, kombucha. What are we doing? Why are we drinking this little fermented tea thing? So it's all about gut health. Kombucha is full of probiotics, and probiotics are healthy bacteria that go into your gut. And your gut is basically like your second brain. There is tons of cells and membranes and brain-like things. They call it the second brain. Scientists call it that, not me. The smart scientists call it the second brain. So when you fill your gut with the right bacterias, and the right bacterias are dominating the bad bacterias, then that drastically increases and improves your health. I didn't say that right. So it drastically improves everything in terms of immunity, energy, mental clarity, etc. You can go through the list. If you search up on the internet benefits of probiotics, you will get a massive list of benefits. So when you have kombucha, you are feeding your gut good probiotics. Also, the ingredients are very, very good. If I read through the ingredients list, it's apple, cucumber, turmeric, lemon, black tea, raw sugar, kombucha culture. So there's no additives, no nasty flavors or artificial sweeteners or anything like that. It's all pure organic ingredients. And here's the big thing as well. If you're looking at what kind of kombuchas you want to get, you need to avoid the brands that advertise no sugar or low sugar, because that's the whole point. I got suckered into that for a while. I was having kombucha brands that advertised, we don't have any sugar in our kombucha, we're healthy because of that reason. But that is simply not the case. The whole kind of point of the kombucha fermentation process, which is what creates the good probiotics that we're drinking, the whole point we're drinking the kombucha, is because of that sugar fermentation. So if you see any brands that say low sugar, no sugar on their kombucha, do not get that. That is just not good. They're filling it with artificial or natural sweeteners instead, which doesn't make sense. We don't want that in our kombucha. We want sugar to get all the benefits of the gut health. So we get that. Look for ingredients like this. And also, there's nutrients in this. Like I said, the ingredients: apple, cucumber, turmeric, lemon, black tea, raw sugar. There is antioxidants in this from all the healthy things. And overall, this is just a very, very, very healthy drink that you can mix into your, eating/drinking routine. Now, the thing about kombucha, it is slightly alcoholic. If I read the back here, it says that could contain traces of alcohol, less than 0.5% due to fermentation. And, obviously that's not going to make you drunk. That's not going to really do anything. But, just something to point out in case, you're anti-alcohol. So this is really good for your gut health. Overall, very healthy as well. And the reason I like kombucha the most is because it's important to eat fermented foods. And it's a little bit tricky. There's foods like sauerkraut, that's really good for your gut health. I personally don't like the taste of that, so I struggle to eat that. You can have pickles, that's alright. You can have pickles, gherkins. You can have kefir, which, I find that average. You can have yogurt. I find it hard to find good quality yogurt because you don't want to just eat, normal branded store yogurts, because that's full of all sorts of kind of stuff. And most of the good gut benefits are probably being removed from those types of yogurts. So when it comes to probiotic foods, kombucha, in terms of taste-wise and enjoyment, is my absolute number one. And that is why I am a big advocate for kombucha. So that is that. We're going to start doing a lot more videos on this channel. And we are going to talk about all the foods you should be eating, all the foods you should be avoiding, lifestyle, training, because we're working on getting our gains here in this channel. So plenty of videos to come. I hope you guys are ready for it. We are about to take off again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.